Today I just finished spraying it. It's got 9 coats on it. And all I have to do now is give it a good buff. That's another hard job. Buff it all up, and it will come up nice and shiny. Nine coats, it's not too bad. That's another job over and done with now, thank God. It's got a lot of paint on it now. It should last for a few years, hopefully. That's all masked up. Not much paint got inside. I take all the papers off tomorrow. I overdone it. I thought it might go inside between the cracks. No, very little. See, that's been sprayed already. I don't want to get over spray. That's all right. I'll take all the papers off tomorrow. Okay, that's it.